Can we love ourselves? This is the question that I used to question myself a lot in the past. Because I think I did not love myself enough. I work so hard. I try to make money and ignore myself. I work a lot to make money, but I did not ask myself, who do I work money for? When I come back to think about myself more, I can see that I did not care about myself at all. I work hard, make money, but I did not use those money to buy the organic food or the good food to feed myself. I know that my health is the most important thing in our life. Nothing more important than our health. But I did not pay attention to my health much when I got money from my hard work. I don't buy organic food to eat. I think it's too expensive. But I can buy coffee. I can buy snack. I can buy pop soda. Those things is more expensive than organic food. Because I drink a lot, I eat a lot. Why I have to eat those things when it's not good for my health, but I pay money for it? That means I did not care about myself. So, when I cannot love myself, it causes so much problem in my life. I got very bad health. I got sick often because my food is very bad. So I ask myself, who do I work for now? If I work for myself, it's not true. I did not work for myself because I did not care for my health. My health is the most important thing, but I ignore it. Even when I got sick. When I got sick, instead of take a rest, I take paracetamol and went to work. Why I don't stop and take a rest? Because my health is number one priorities in my life. But I did not care about myself. I think money and work is number one priority, the first priorities in my life. So I ignore my health. I don't let my health rest. I take paracetamol and went to work. So when I live like this for a long time, I think this is the most dangerous thing in my life. I did not work for myself. I can see many people doing the same thing like me. We are not pay attention to our health enough. We do not love ourselves enough. When we think like this, we ignore our body, our mind, and then we ignore our family. So the first thing, my health has more problem. The second thing, the family has more problem. Because we don't have time to be together. When we don't have time to be together, we don't understand each other. And then we don't know what is love. We don't know how to be together anymore. So I see that we have health problem, we have family problem, and we have social problem after that. Because many people in the family grew up without love, without care. They don't know what is it. They cause more problem in the society. And in the same time, we create more environmental problem in the world. Because we don't care about our health, we do not love ourselves. So we eat only chicken, pork, eggs, or meat. We don't eat diversity of food in our life. So farmers have to cut a lot of forest to grow meat, eggs, or pork for us. So it creates a lot of problem everywhere because we eat less variety. We eat less variety, we have more health problem because we don't have enough nutrition. We have too much some of the nutrition, but we lack of another nutrition because we eat less variety of food. And it's good for business because when we eat only pork or chicken, the business is easy because you don't have a lot of products. You can produce a lot of chicken and pork. So farmers just cut more forests to get land to grow corn or grass to feed animals. So when we cannot love ourselves, it creates many problems in the world, in our life now. So to come back to love ourselves, to think about ourselves more, is very important thing. We will solve a lot of problems easily. Just love ourselves, come back to ourselves, and start to eat good food first. Whenever we eat good food, we solve many problems in the world, in our life. The first thing, we have a good health. We will get sick less than normal. We have a better health. And in the same time, when we eat for ourselves, we will eat a lot of things. We will not eat only chicken and pork or beef. We will eat more grain, more vegetable, more fruit. And then the environment around us will be balanced again. People will grow more varieties for us. And we love ourselves. We will pay attention to our family or people nearby us more. We will be together more. We will have more fun together. Whenever we are together, we will understand each other more and more and more. And life will be fun after that. When we have time to be together, when we have time to joke around, to play, to do anything together. This is what our life needs. So love ourselves is the beginning of life. If we can love ourselves, we solve so many unsolved problems in the world now. We have so much problem that we cannot solve it now because we did not love ourselves. We did not care ourselves. If we love ourselves, we will not hurt ourselves. And we will not hurt other people around us. We will not hurt the nature. We will live with everything around us with respect and love. Because they are one part of our life. When we think about ourselves, it's not only this body that we can feel it only. This is just only tiny part of the real body of us. The real body of myself is include plant, animal, water, soil, and people, air, and everything. This part, the whole thing is our body. What we feel ourselves now is just only the tiny piece of the real body of us. Because we cannot live alone like this. Our body connects to everything all the time. The soil, plant, animal, water, air come into our body all the time. It comes as food, water, and air that we breathe in. It comes to our body and it go out all the time. It go out as sweat, poop, pee, and breathing. It go out like that. Even our skin, dead skin, will go out. And then it turn to food, turn to water, and come back. Everything just connect together like this. Even other people, they are one part of our life too. They look separate with us. They look like they were disconnected from us. But actually, they work hard. They create another product to support us. They create another culture. They create language. They create so many things that support the life, support our life to be together. So nobody were disconnected from each other. When we love ourselves, we will love everything around us. When we love ourselves, we will not hurt anything around us. Loving ourselves is the most important thing that we need now. Because now we don't care ourselves. We can do many bad things. We can corruption, we can cheating other people, we can take drugs, we can take many things. That means we did not love ourselves enough. If we come back to think ourselves, love ourselves more, we will see that the world is so beautiful. We will look at things with love and respect. It's different feeling. It creates warmth and feeling. It creates security inside us. Even we have no money, but we feel secure. We feel love. We feel stable. We feel good. When we love ourselves, it will solve so many problems in our life. I think it's fun to think in this way. It's very fun and very relaxed.